My name is Jason Berg, the Assistant Vice Chancellor of Financial Systems and MyDay Program Co-Director, here to talk to you today about data governance. Today's video is about three topics. What is data governance, the data governance program at Washington University, and our Calibra platform. First, what is data governance? It's an introduction to the concept that data is an asset within this organization. Talking about the alignment of people, process, and technology to help enable the active management of our data. And it's driving towards a consistent understanding of that data. So why does data governance matter? You can start with a real-life example. Recently, I was in a meeting where we were reviewing a grant report. The field header at the very top said YTD, indicating year to date. Before we could start to dive into what the report was telling us, we first had to have a discussion on which year to date we were talking about, whether that was fiscal, calendar, or the grant year to date. Finally, we were able to get it resolved and be able to move on talking about the content of the report. But this is just an example of how inconsistent data can lead to confusion. Just a little bit on the value proposition of data governance. Data governance is going to allow for us to have a common understanding of our key terminology. We'll also have more accessible data, allowing our users to be efficient. We're going to improve the accuracy and consistency of our data as well to improve decision making. The data governance program at WashU will be critical to laying the foundation for our digital transformation. The data governance at WashU is broken into 10 separate data domains. But first, we are starting with the finance and human capital management data domains, aligned to the Workday implementation. Our rollout contains a few key components. First, our stewardship model for how we're going to create a structure to own and maintain our data. Secondly, our data guidelines and use cases, mainly our business glossary to help us get our arms around our terminology, and our reporting catalog, where we'll be able to have an inventory of our commonly used reports and the data elements that are contained within them. And then finally, our guidelines that we can use the steward structure to help set the direction on usage of this data at the university. The Calibra application was selected a few years back as the market leader for data collaboration. Calibra will empower our end users to have visibility into information about data, also known as metadata, that was very previously difficult to access. On the accessibility note, everyone at WashU that has a WSTL key is going to have access to browse this new glossary. We'll be able to see the terms, definitions, which reports and business processes they relate to, and who the data stewards are that are accountable for the accuracy and completeness of that data. Calibra is very easy to use, but it's going to require all of us working together to maintain this data set. In future videos, you'll learn more about data governance and the Calibra tool. Thank you.